what's up? Today I want to share with you my recipe for a Greek style chicken and green bean casserole. All done in one pot. Takes about an hour, less than an hour and a half from start to finish, and is absolutely delicious. So first things first, I'm going to preheat my oven 400 degrees Fahrenheit or about 200 degrees Celsius. Get that off and going. Now, in this case here, I am using a simple aluminum dish. I'm here in Greece right now, and rather than using like a traditional pan that I have to sit there and scrub and make myself crazy, I'm just gonna do this, enjoy, and in the garbage it goes. So, first thing now in terms of my ingredients is my green beans. And for this, very simply, I'm using frozen green beans. I'm gonna use about a pound of green beans. Those are gonna go in there. Nothing wrong with frozen green beans at all. Now, the next part of this, I'm just gonna grab a knife. I'm gonna chop an onion in this. You can chop this any way you like. I'm just gonna cut it up in terms of pieces the way the little old ladies do here, and I love it. They don't have any, fancy knife skills, any ninja skills. They just take it and they literally just cut away around the side just like this. And in no time, you're gonna nicely cut up onion and it's gonna be absolutely perfect. All right, so there's my onion going in there. I'm gonna take a piece of garlic or a garlic clove. And again, the same thing. I don't have a garlic crusher here, so all I'm gonna do is very simply just start cutting it up, going throughout, letting it spread evenly throughout my bean mixture here. And that way it gives us the flavors that we want. And if you get kind of a gnarly bit or something that's kind of not looking great, don't worry about it. So that's that. I'm also gonna throw in a potato. Now here's the thing, my potatoes, rarely do I peel. Traditionally or typically, Greeks peel their potatoes. If you see any kind of bits that that don't look so good, just cut them away. And my potatoes in there. So that's pretty much the gist of my veggies. Now, for this, I'm gonna take a little bit of salt these up, a little bit of pepper. We'll go into this, so quite a bit of pepper, but that's totally fine. And a little bit of my Greek extra virgin olive oil. And for this, I would go basically quarter cup, third of a cup into this. And now the next thing is some parsley. Now I'm just gonna take some parsley, and again, no cutting boards, no fancy knife skills. Just cut it up like this into small pits. And parsley goes really well with green beans as well as some dill. And I love dill. I love using dill in a lot of my veggie dishes. It's a whole lot of flavor, and you know what? They go really well together. So that's that there. Perfect. That's my Greek security system here in Greece. So I'm just gonna take these real quick and just mix them so that way everything gets nice and coated and becomes really flavorful and delicious. And now, perfect. This is ready to go. The next part is the chicken. For the chicken, I am just using 4 chicken legs, bone in, skin on type of deal, just like that. And I'm just gonna lay them out here. And nothing complicated, nothing fancy at all. Boom, just like that. Now for this, same deal. Got to season up our chicken very nicely, perfect. Little bit of pepper will go over this. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of tomato sauce or crushed tomatoes here, And I'm gonna do approximately 12 ounces or about a cup and a half. So that's gonna go in there along with a little bit of water just to help kind of things go along. And you don't need much. You're looking maybe half a cup of water, not even a quarter cup maybe, just like that. That's perfect. Another little drizzle of olive oil because, you know, olive oil makes everything better. Perfect, just like that. And lastly, I'm gonna add a little dried Greek oregano over everything. And this is gonna really bring out this dish and make the flavors sing. So that's it. I'm gonna pop this into my 400-degree oven for about an hour and 15 minutes. You're gonna be checking for the chicken doneness and you'll be ready to go. So now it's been about an hour and a half. My chicken and green bean casserole is done to absolute perfection. There's a nice crusty skin on the chicken. The potatoes are like absolutely soft. They're like butter. Look at this. Look at this. How good is this? Crispy on the outside, light and fluffy on the inside. All kinds of flavor. Now, let's take a look at our chicken. Look at this. Chicken just like peels off. Literally, it literally peels right off. We should bottle this scent. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is so good. That is so good. You're about to see a grown-ass man cry here, get emotional. All the flavors marry perfectly. Everything is done. Look at this, one pan. One pan, my friends. Nothing to this. So that's it for this episode of my chicken. That's actually more of a Greek style flavor base for my chicken and green bean casserole. Super easy to make, about an hour and a half, give or take, you're done. I thank you so much for watching. This is very exciting for me to be bringing you these recipes and these videos from Greece while I'm here. Please smash that like button if you really like this video. Subscribe, or at least consider subscribe if you haven't already. Check me out online for this recipe and so many others at kensgreektable.com. And until next time, I thank you so much for watching and much love from Greece. Peace.